All right, picture this. You're me. It's the year 2035. You've just finished your morning, and you reach for the toilet paper, but wait, there's nothing there. And it's not because your roommate, Kevin, used the last of it again. Classic Kevin. It's because toilet paper, as we know it, just doesn't exist anymore. Poof, gone. Vanished from the shelves, from our homes, from history. Sounds like a plot from a sci-fi movie, right? Or maybe a nightmare, depending on how much you love that quilted softness. But here's the kicker. This could actually be our reality, and sooner than you think. The humble toilet roll, a bathroom staple for over a century, might be heading for the museum. And trust me, what's lining up to take its place is some seriously cool, mind-bending tech that will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about your bathroom routine. So buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the surprisingly fascinating world of, well, poop and how we clean up after it. We're going to explore why toilet paper's days are numbered and what incredible innovations are ready to step in. This isn't just about a new gadget, it's about a cleaner, greener, and honestly, a way more awesome future for our behinds. Get ready, because things are about to get interesting. Okay, so let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Why all the fuss about toilet paper? I mean, it's soft, it's convenient, it's paper. What's the big deal? Well, my friends, that innocent-looking roll has a dark side. Every single year, we flush something like 27,000 trees down the toilet. Imagine a giant forest full of majestic trees just gone, turned into something you use for a few seconds and then send into the sewer. And that's just the trees we can see. Then there's the water. To make just one roll of that fluffy white stuff, it takes around 37 gallons of water. Multiply that by the billions of rolls we use globally, and you're looking at a colossal amount of precious H2O literally going down the drain before it even gets to your bathroom. It's a bit mind-boggling when you stop and think about it, isn't it? And it doesn't stop there. Making toilet paper is an energy hog. Those factories are chugging away, using massive amounts of electricity and often fossil fuels to pulp the wood, press it, dry it, and roll it up. Think about the carbon footprint of your charmin. We're trying to save the planet, right? We're switching to electric cars and solar panels, but our bathrooms are still stuck in the environmental dark ages. Let's not forget the chemicals. To get that pristine, bright white color that everyone seems to love, toilet paper often goes through a bleaching process, usually involving chlorine. These chemicals can end up in our waterways, causing all sorts of problems for aquatic life and ecosystems. And then there's the packaging, all those plastic wrappers around the multi-packs. Sure, some are getting better, but a lot of it is still single-use plastic that ends up in landfills, or even worse, the ocean. It's a whole chain of resource consumption and waste generation, all for a product that has a very, very short lifespan. Beyond the environmental and supply chain drama, let's be honest, is dry paper really the best way to get clean? Think about it. If you got mud on your arm, would you just wipe it off with a dry paper towel and call it a day? Probably not. You'd use water, right? So why do we treat our most sensitive areas differently? It's a bit of a historical hangover, this reliance on dry wiping. Many cultures have known for centuries that water is the way to go for ultimate cleanliness. So when you add it all up, the deforestation, the water waste, the energy consumption, the chemical pollution, the plastic packaging, the price gouging panics, the questionable hygiene, and the plumbing problems, it becomes pretty clear. Toilet paper, our trusty bathroom companion, is actually a bit of an environmental and logistical troublemaker. It's time for something smarter, something better, something else. Alright, so we've established that toilet paper is basically the villain in our bathroom saga. But fear not, my friends, because every good story has heroes, and in this case they come in the form of some seriously cool and innovative technologies. The future of clean is knocking on the bathroom door, and it's bringing some amazing upgrades. We're moving from the stone age of wiping to the space age of sparkling. So what exactly is going to replace that soon-to-be extinct role? Let's dive in. First up, making a huge comeback, bidets. These clever devices use a gentle stream of water to clean you up after you do your business. Think of it like a mini shower for your nether regions, plus it's gentler on your skin, no more irritation. Modern bidets aren't just a simple spout anymore. We're talking heated water, adjustable pressure, different spray patterns, and even built-in dryers. Installation is usually super easy. I've even put one in myself, and if I can do it, anyone can. Seriously, once you try a bidet, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It's a game changer for cleanliness and comfort, and it drastically reduces or even eliminates the need for toilet paper. Next on our list of bathroom superheroes, smart toilets. These things are like the Teslas of the toilet world. We're talking about toilets that can wash you, dry you with warm air, deodorize the bowl automatically, and some even have heated seats, which is just pure luxury on a cold morning. Some high-end models can play music, have night lights, and even open and close the lid automatically so you never have to touch it. It's like having a personal bathroom butler. These smart toilets are often designed with water efficiency in mind, using less water per flush than older models. And some are even starting to incorporate health monitoring features. Imagine a toilet that could analyze your waste discreetly, of course, and give you early warnings about potential health issues. We're talking about a device that not only keeps you clean, but could also help keep you healthy. That's some next-level tech right there, and it's becoming more accessible every year. Then we have some really innovative solutions like specialized foams and advanced eco-friendly wipes. Some companies are developing dissolvable cleansing foams that you apply, and they clean effectively and then just break down, leaving no residue and being super kind to plumbing. And for those who still like the idea of a wipe, the next generation of eco-friendly wipes is on the horizon. These are wipes made from plant-based materials, designed to biodegrade rapidly and truly be sewer and septic safe. The future is definitely poop tech, and it's cleaner and greener than ever. Chapter 3. Beyond the wipe, a revolution in personal hygiene. For over 150 years, toilet paper has been the undisputed king of the bathroom. But like carriages gave way to cars, the time for toilet paper's reign is ending. Soon we might chuckle at using dry paper to clean ourselves. This shift is about better hygiene and our relationship with the environment. Bidets and smart bathroom tech are becoming more common. It's a slow burn, but the change is happening. Sustainability is now a non-negotiable aspect of modern life. Clean tech is coming to bathrooms, promising a greener way to go. Water is simply more effective at cleaning than dry paper. Think of the refreshing feeling after a shower. That's the level of clean we're talking about. This is a health upgrade as much as it is an environmental one. Imagine your future bathroom, a mini wellness sanctuary. You feel cleaner, fresher, and more comfortable than ever before. Chapter 4. Flushing away. Old habits. The road ahead. We've seen the problems with toilet paper and the tech ready to replace it. But change takes time. Our bathrooms won't transform overnight. Changing a habit ingrained for generations is a big task. It's like teaching an old dog new tricks, but on a global scale. So what are the hurdles to a paperless future? One big roadblock is cost. High-end smart toilets are a significant investment. For these technologies to go mainstream, they need to be affordable. Innovation and scale will help reduce costs. Remember how expensive flat-screen TVs were? Now they're everywhere. The same will happen with bathroom tech as demand grows. Some systems might require more plumbing know-how. New constructions can incorporate these easily, but retrofitting will take time. We'll need trained plumbers and updated building codes. Public perception and education are key. We need to overcome the ick factor. Videos like this one can help. Marketing campaigns and word of mouth will play a huge role. We need to normalize washing with water, highlighting its benefits. Innovation and competition will drive the technology forward. More companies will jump into the smart bathroom space. This competition will make the technology more accessible. I'm excited to see what new features come next. What happens to the giant toilet paper industry? It's a massive global market, but industries evolve. Companies will pivot and adapt. They'll see the writing on the wall and pivot. Outro wrapping up without paper. So, after all that, is toilet paper truly doomed? Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say probably. It's had a long run, but the evidence is mounting. We've got better, cleaner and greener ways to handle our business. But hey, don't panic by all the remaining rolls just yet. This isn't about a sudden, apocalyptic disappearance of your quilted comfort. It's about a gradual, sensible and ultimately awesome evolution in how we approach personal hygiene. The future of going to the bathroom is shaping up to be, believe it or not, one of the cleanest, comfiest and most surprisingly high-tech parts of your day. Imagine starting your morning feeling incredibly fresh, knowing you're also doing a little something good for the planet. It's a win-win. From water-wise bidets to all-in-one smart thrones, the options are only going to get better and more accessible. This isn't something to be scared of, it's something to look forward to. So what do you think? Are you ready to ditch the paper and embrace the future of bathroom brilliance? If you like this deep dive into the world of toilet tech, do me a solid and tap that like button like it's a warm toilet seat on a chilly winter morning. You know you want to. Subscribe for more weird, wild and future-forward videos where we explore the science and engineering shaping our world. And definitely let me know in the comments, would you ditch toilet paper for one of these alternatives? I'm super curious to hear your thoughts.